Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool for you guys, and it's the first video like it. We're gonna see a race, truck versus truck. Now before he gets here, it is a Toyota Tundra. And if you're new to the channel, what we have here is a cam headers 5.3 Silverado. It's an 04 on stock wheels and tires right now, but I'm normally running 35s. Gearing is 373, mildly built 4L60E, so it's got a little bit of work done to it, which really doesn't make the race too fair, but the owner of the Tundra has insisted that we run them, so I'm not going to turn down a good time. But of course, I'm not going to get to have the great time because that would be illegal and unsafe for me to race this truck. So what's going to happen is I'm going to hand the keys over to a professional driver, and he's going to do the same, and they're going to go to a closed course and run the two trucks and bring them back, and then we'll have the footage to see how the race went. So that should be interesting. So like I said, not going to be us driving, hand the keys over to somebody. They're going to go run them. I heard they were going to go down to Mexico and run them, and that's fine. The truck needs a good bit of miles on it. Make sure everything's running good. So when he gets here, I'll pick up the camera and we'll kind of get a backdrop of what's done to the Tundra, and then we'll hand over the keys and see how they run. But of course, before we get this video started and get the race underway, don't forget to go follow me over on Instagram at Austin04_Z71. I post up anything like this that's going down, any modifications coming up to the truck, new videos, and what shows I'll be going to, when, and where. So go hit me up over there. If you got any questions, you can also DM me on there. I usually see the DMs before I see the comments. All right, so what we've got is a what year?
2012 Toyota Tundra double cab.
Okay.
5.7 liter V8.
Anything else done to it other than like a lift, wheels and tires?
Rough country 3.2 leveling kit.
Okay.
And then 275 by 65 R20 with 20-inch metal 970s.
Yeah, and if you guys have been a subscriber here for a while, you guys know I used to run 970s. Mine were the milled center spoke. They weren't just flat black, but in this tire size, it's 34, right? It's not. Yeah, it's bigger than a 33. And you could tell that because, you know, it's 20-inch rim in it. Yeah, it's a lot of sidewall for a 20. But like I said, we're gonna hand the keys off and let somebody else run them. And I guess probably what they're gonna have to do is a bunch of roll racing because I don't know where they're gonna stop and run from a dig. But we'll find out and see. So let's roll that footage. All right, so I've got to say I'm impressed by the footage. What I should have mentioned before, and we were talking, as far as a stock truck goes, the horsepower number, and we were just talking, aside from the EcoBoost, that's 381 horsepower right there from the factory. This truck, of course, it's not the stock 5.3, but this truck from the factory only came with 295 horsepower. And of course, I've just done cam and heads to it. And the last time we were at the dyno, it only laid down 330 at the wheels, which is only like 400-ish crank, not even quite, probably closer to about the 380, 390 mark. So, you know, things that if you're a subscriber on here, you know we got to get the intake manifold on and all that, and that's going to help tremendously up top with the power. But if you see there, you know, we run from first gear, and I can maybe put like a couple doors on them. You know, I can't even pull a whole truck on them. And when I go to shift in the second, you know, I'm down low in RPMs, and he'll pull on me. And of course, he's also got a 6-speed. And then when the RPMs go up, I'll start pulling on him again. So it was a pretty good race. It was actually a better race than I expected. So we'll have to do it again once you either tune that, and then I finish up this with the stall converter and the intake manifold. It needs to be tuned again because it's kind of screwy. So we've been talking about doing it for a while. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and go check out the other videos on the channel. So if you got any comments, drop them down below. Hit me up in the DMs on Instagram at Austin04_Z71. Take care. Have a great day.